Hi there guys, I just want to say thanks to all of you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. I was recently asked to talk throughout the video, so I'm gonna talk during the video's highlights only, okay? So let's get right down to it. Let's choose the spline tool and let's draw the first curve here, and make sure to follow along the curves of the shoe, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna make some adjustments here, and keep in mind that you don't have to hit G key every time. You have to just hover over the points and then left mouse click and drag and grab them, okay? Okay, so let's draw another one. As you can see in the video, I'm gonna leave some space that allows me to create to extrude the thread later on. I'm gonna leave this little space at the bottom here. Okay, let's adjust some points. Okay, so now I'm gonna select them both, okay? Both guides here. And I'm gonna hit L to create a nice surface. Okay, so just select hit 3 on the keyboard and select the sheet here, then press E to extrude it, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna hide the reference and I'm gonna go to the top view. Okay, let's move it to the origin, to the center, just like that. And now you can hide the solid for now, because I'm gonna take the spline tool and I'm gonna sketch the spline for the sole. Okay, let's choose the spline tool and let's start by drawing the curve. Okay, nice. When you close the curve, plasticity it's gonna make it blue. Okay, that will tell you that a curve has been closed correctly. So now I'm gonna select this curve. I'm gonna hit C, and as you can see here, I'm a little bit off there. Let's undo this and just select the face and hit D on the keyboard and grab it a little bit. Then select the curve, hit C on the keyboard, and then select the solid and plasticity, and kind of imprint the curve. Okay, it's gonna cut throughout the solid, so you can delete the external part. And now what I want to do now, I'm gonna select the loop. Not now, sorry. What I want to do is create a little bit of room on my sole. Okay. So I'm gonna select the shape above, the curve above. This one right here, and then I'm gonna hit O, and I'm gonna kind of inset. I'm gonna kind of extend the edge to create a new curve. Okay, I'm gonna hide this, and then I'm gonna select the curve and hit C again, and then select the sole. So make sure that hide occlusion, to click on hide occlusion. So software will imprint the curve on the upper face only, not on the bottom. Okay. So I'm gonna select all the curves. I'm gonna hit Control G to group them, so you can unhide and hide them all at once. And so now I want to select this loop here, hold down Alt and click to select the entire loop, then press Shift D to duplicate, not to duplicate, but to you will have to hit Shift D to get a new curve out of the selected loop. Okay, and that'll be your guide to create your shoe. Okay, so let's hide the sole for now, and this is our guide. Let's show the reference, and let's create another couple of spline. So first of all, I'm gonna scale this across the x-axis. Okay, just a little bit like that. Okay, select the loop, Shift plus D to get the curve, and then I'm gonna create a couple of other splines. Just click there, and for now you don't need to be exactly on the underlying curve. Just create a couple of segments here. 1, 2, 3 segments, 4 segments. I guess. Another one here. Okay, you can hit 1 and then select the vertices to make adjustments if you want, if it's needed. And then, as you can see, this curve here is a little bit off. So I'm gonna move it to the center, and in order to join many different curves, just select them and then hit J on the keyboard, so we'll get a single curve. Alright, so let's move this to the center, more or less, and select the curve and hit the hammer to rebuild the curve, and make sure to hit points and just give it an adequate number of points like this. Now you can move them. So I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit here. So move those points right there. In order to snap a vertex on another curve, just select that vertex and then hold down Control and grab this vertex on the curve, just like this. Okay. So select the vertex, hold down Control and grab it. on the curve. So now, because we need more information, I mean the software needs more information in order to create the surface. I'm gonna draw a circle here, just like this. Okay, then as I said before, you need to hit Control, hold down Control, and grab the vertex on the curve in order to snap it on the curve properly. Okay. Okay. So what we need to do now is divide this curve. So I'm gonna go ahead. This one right here. Let's hide the other and select this, select the split curve, and just cut it in the middle. Let's add some other cuts. Well, actually it seems nothing happened here, but you need to select the curve and hit Alt J in order to separate the segments, okay? Just like those. let's separate this, Alt J. Okay, so now we have two separate segments. We will need to cut the circle above as well here. Yeah, let's cut it in the middle and just go to vertex mode by hitting 1. And then choose the split curve tool and just cut it there, right there. Okay. We need to split there as well and separate. You can hit Alt J. Okay. We need to split there as well. So what I'm gonna do now is create some sort of vertical segments, guys, just like this. And just snap it on the cuts we've done before, and then rebuild the curve and make sure to set the points to 2. Okay. Or you can also subdivide by hitting Alt 1, I guess, and then adjust the points. Okay, rebuild, select the points, and hit G and just move them, just like that. Let's cut it as well, right there, and separate. So we'll get 2 separate segments. Okay, let's create a new segment with the spline tool and rebuild. And I'm gonna give it some sort of rounded shape, like this. Another one here. Rebuild. Hit the G and move it. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, there we go. So now, in order to get the surface, we need to select 2 curves, just like this. This one. As you can see here, we just need to move some vertex here. Click on separate. Okay, let's hide those curves for now, and I'm gonna cut it right here and then click Alt J to separate the curves. Okay, let's then hide. And now select the curve, hit 1 and select the vertex. Okay, just like this. For this loop here, I'm gonna fill it this. I would say I'm gonna do the same here at the bottom. Okay. Okay, let's create just another piece on the other side here. Let's create a spline, a new spline, and you better hide the sole in order to do this. So I'm gonna hide this. I'm gonna cut the curve right there, and I'm gonna create a new. I'm gonna separate those curves by hitting Alt J. And then I'm gonna create a new spline right here, hit 1, select the points, and just adjust them like this. Okay, let's select this little segment and this one, hit L. Okay, hold down Shift and select the guide. Boom. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna create some sort of holes on the sole. Okay, I'm gonna choose the circle tool and draw a circle. Double S to scale it up uniformly, and then I'm gonna hit Shift D to duplicate it. Then I'm gonna choose the line tool, and I'm gonna draw 2 segments. Okay, just like that. And we'll use the trim tool to get rid of the segments you don't need, just like in the video. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this. So I'm gonna hit Shift D to duplicate it. I'm gonna duplicate it once again. Okay, let's scale it up. No, sorry, scale it down just a little bit by hitting S twice. Okay, now let's grab this a little bit and then select the curve and hit Shift I think, I don't remember. Anyway, it should be Shift I, and then select the sole in order to imprint the curve on the surface. Hold down Shift and select the others. Okay, just like that. With the last one, I will have to move this and hit R on the keyboard to rotate it just a little bit, just like that, and then select it and hit Shift plus I and select the sole. Okay, now you can delete those. Now hit 3 to go to face mode and select the face, and just grab this a little bit inward, just like that. Now I'm gonna select hold down Alt and click on that edge in order to select the entire loop. So I'm gonna do the same here. Hold down Alt and just grab it. Okay, there we go. That's a very basic shape, guys. Maybe I'll make a new video showing how to make threads, laces and stitches and stuff like that. For now, let's change material. Right click on this little button. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is select the first sheet, then hold down Shift and select the others. Okay, now you can hit this little plus icon or hit J on the keyboard to join them all. Okay, and you can add the thickness by hitting this little icon here, and you'll see a kind of handle here, and just grab it. It will indeed add thickness to your sheets. Okay, and it will also turn your sheets into a solid. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much to all of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.